welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to give you guys a quick follow-up on the last video that I posted on my chemical peel process. So I wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like 7 days after doing the treatment, and I can tell that the results are really positive. My skin started getting a little bit lighter than it was, so all the blackheads are starting to fade out slowly, and I'm happy. I mean, I can see that there is progress, of course, and that the chemical peel is going to help. Now I plan on doing a second peel end of December, because I usually space them out about 4 to 6 weeks, and so by December 20th is when I made my next appointment. It will be a month from the first chemical peel, so I'm just so excited. I'm gonna post a video here so you guys can see how my skin looked about a month or 2 months ago, and it was just going through it, and compare that to now and how my skin looks now. In addition to the chemical peel, I started using African black soap. So I got this soap. It comes in this packaging. I got it from this vendor called RA Cosmetics, and they're based out of West Africa, so I think these shipped all the way from West Africa. So I got this, and I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. It looks like poop when you first open it. Legit, look, this is how it looks inside, and it has a creamy consistency to it. So I'm gonna try doing that. African black soap is historically known for helping fade black spots, helping clear your skin out, making it look younger, making it look lighter, but not bleachy lighter, just kind of making it look naturally light, you know? Let me tell you the ingredients that are in there. Where are the ingredients? Okay, so the ingredients include pure honey, shea butter, Olson, which is caramwood, cocoa pod powder, plantain peel powder, palm kernel oil, coconut oil, water, and aloe vera. So they just grind all the ashes of the leaves that I just talked about and the oils, and then they just mix everything together, and then they come up with this African black soap. So I'm gonna try this out. I started using it 2 days ago, and I think my skin will be great. I've also heard on YouTube that some people react negatively from African black soap. It actually burns them, and I guess it's because maybe their skin is super sensitive. My skin is sensitive too, and I haven't got any negative, results from the soap yet. However, when you apply it on, you get this tingling feeling, and I've heard that's common. Everyone that talks about African black soap on YouTube will say that they get that tingling sensation once you put the soap on. So I think that's normal, but it's just, I haven't got anything negative. My skin will be breaking out by now from the soap if it wasn't a good combination for my skin. But my skin is doing great so far. I'm just gonna keep using it until my skin just turns out to be how I want it to be. I mean, so far it's looking good, which is a good thing. So I'm just gonna keep using it. I'm still peeling down on my neck. So now all the problematic areas were just around here and my jawline and around my chin area too. Same as here. And I do have sunscreen on, so you can't really see what the progress is, but I'll tell you that after I wash my face every day and I look at myself in the mirror, I can see the progress, that those areas are starting to even out and just get a little bit lighter. And the more peels that I do, the lighter the skin will get, and it will just even out, which is good. So this is just it. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a really quick, short video, as I wanted it to be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.